Hey there, smoothie lovers and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Natural Healing Guides channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our community. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You're about to embark on a delicious journey to better health. Today, we're blending up something truly special, the ultimate smoothie to soothe inflammation and pain. So grab your blender and let's get started. Inflammation, it's like that uninvited guest at your party, causing discomfort and sometimes pain. But what if I told you that you could whip up a tasty solution right in your kitchen? That's right. With just a few ingredients, you can create a smoothie that not only tastes amazing, but also helps calm inflammation and ease pain. First up, let's talk about our key ingredient, turmeric. This golden spice is not just for curries. It's a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory goodness, thanks to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin is like the superhero of the spice world, fighting off inflammation one cell at a time. But here's the twist. Curcumin loves to play hard to get. It's not easily absorbed by our bodies. That's where our next ingredient comes in. Black pepper. Just a pinch of black pepper can boost the absorption of curcumin by a whopping 2,000%. It's like giving curcumin a VIP pass into your body. Now let's add some sweetness and more anti-inflammatory magic with pineapple. This tropical fruit is not just a treat for your taste buds. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that further kicks inflammation to the curb. Next, we have ginger. Much like its cousin turmeric, ginger is fantastic at soothing inflammation and pain, especially in the joints. It's like having a warm, soothing blanket for your insides. And we can't forget about our leafy greens, spinach or kale. These aren't just for salads. They're loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that support overall health and fight inflammation. Now, to blend it all together, we need a liquid base. I recommend using almond milk or coconut water for an extra dose of nutrients and flavor. And for a creamy texture, let's add half an avocado or a banana. It's like the smooth, jazzy note in our inflammation-fighting symphony. But wait, what about those who are always on the go? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the description box below for links to some fantastic turmeric and ginger supplements, as well as ready-to-blend smoothie packs. By using these links, you're also supporting our channel, so a big thank you for that. Now let's blend it all up. Pour your liquid base into the blender, followed by turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, pineapple, ginger, your leafy greens, and finally, the avocado or banana. Blend until smooth, and there you have it, your very own anti-inflammatory elixir. Remember, this smoothie is not just a one-time miracle cure. Consistent intake, along with a balanced diet and lifestyle, is key to managing inflammation and pain. And as always, it's a good idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen, especially if you have health concerns or are on medication. Alright folks, that wraps up our smoothie making session. If you enjoyed this video and are now sipping on your delicious creation, why not give us a thumbs up? Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for more natural remedies and health tips. Got any favorite anti-inflammatory ingredients or smoothie recipes? Share them in the comments below. Let's keep the healthy ideas flowing. Your suggestions could be the highlight of someone else's day. As we say goodbye, remember, taking care of your health is the tastiest journey you can embark on. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for supporting our channel, and most importantly, thanks for being a part of our health-conscious community. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep blending those magical smoothies. See you in the next video.